Good more earnings, everyone. I honor you for choosing to stay to know more about the business side of this amazing iTera Care device. Yes, tama po ang narinig ninyo. There is business. After buying this and using this iTera Care device, syempre, no, kapag na-experience na kayo ng relief from your frozen shoulder, from your back pain, from your gout and other body pains, bigla mong maiisip, no, yung mga kakilala mo, kamag-anak mo, kaibigan mo, ka-office mate mo, or kasamahan mo sa church who you know are also suffering from these conditions. At syempre naman, no, bilang natural na marites ang mga Pinoy, magkukwento ka. I'm sure of that. At I'm sure dahil sa sobrang bilib mo at pagka-passionate mo sa pagkwento mo, kahit hindi pa nila nakikita yung iTera Care device na yan, magtatanong sila sa'yo, pwede ba ako makatry niyan? Saan ko yan pwede mabili? At ano ang sagot? Siyempre, dapat ang sagot nyo, sa akin, no? Sa'yo. Yes, sa'yo. Can you type sa akin? No? Sa akin. Can you type that? Sa akin. Yan. Dapat sa'yo bibili, no? So, this is definitely not an expense. No? This is an investment to a potential global business. At yan po ang aking i-discuss sa inyo. Dahil ito po ay hindi lang cheap steak. Hindi po ito mumurahin na negosyo, no? Hindi po ito pipitsugin. If you will only know and understand ang totoong pwedeng kitain dito, it will blow your mind away. So stay tuned and be very attentive. Remember that this could be the opportunity that you've been waiting for. And maybe you are praying, no? You are praying. Katulad po ng nangyari sa amin, this is a prayer for us. This is an answered prayer for us. No? Kaya po talaga, ito po, you can have or you can own a business with global reach with a very minimal capital. So are you all ready? Yeah, can you type in, I'm ready? Okay, so if you are, and so I am, so let's begin. But of course, before I begin, ibabasahin ko po ang ating income disclaimer, okay? The income projections provided to you before enrollment are not a reliable indication of the income you may earn through the business plan, okay? This should not be treated as a guarantee or projection of your actual earnings or profits. Hindi po natin ginagarantii na kapag ginawa niyo po itong business na ito, talaga naman kikitain ninyo kung ano po yung mga i-explain namin sa inyo later. Because in reality, success in doing this private business depends solely on your hard work, dedication, strategy, and leadership. Because remember, you are the CEO of your own business. Kayo po ang masusunod dyan. So kung gaano kabilis, kabagal, at ka-committed kayo, depende po yan. Ang magiging resulta po ninyo will depend on the commitment that you have. Alright? So, yes, let's begin. Okay. So, bakit po gagawin natin ang business ng iTera Care? Because iTera Care po is a natural pain reliever. Katulad nga po nung naikwento kanina ng husband ko, yung experience po namin. I just don't know what will happen to me kung wala po kaming iTera Care device because I was already panicking, no? Umiyak na po ako nung nakita kong bumagsak yung anak ko, no? Hindi pa kami nag-start kumain, bigla na lang siyang bumagsak. At hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, sa sobrang panic ko, buti na lang may presence of mind pa rin, kinuha ang iTera Care device at iblinower sa anak namin. Ano? At kung wala po yan, hindi ko po talaga alam ang gagawin ko. Baka mag-iiyak na lang ako. No? And the next one is this is a breakthrough technology and we are in the law of the first. Alam naman po natin yan, ano? Na kapag ikaw po ang una, iba po yan. Kahit na sabihin mong maraming sumunod, maraming gagaya, it's all right. Kahit po maraming sumunod sa atin dahil iba pa rin kapag ikaw ang nauna. Alright? At we have this what we call unmatched business plan. Very genius po ang gumawa nito. You will be a happy distributor. At talaga pong kikita ka rito kung gagawin mo po ito with your full commitment, no? At kumikita din ang kumpanya dito. So balancing lang po. Hindi kayo matatakot na ngayon sobrang laki ng kita nyo. Tapos in the next few years, wala na pala yung kumpanya kasi nag-overpay out na. So napakagaling po talaga. Kapag naintindihan nyo po ang compensation plan na ito, sasabihin nyo talaga na very genius po ang gumawa nito. Okay? At of course, you are in the perfect timing because the perfect timing is now. It doesn't matter kung ikaw ay nahuli or ikaw ba ay nauna. So kung ngayon ka nagka-interest gawin ng business, this is the perfect time for you. Alright? This is the perfect time for you. Bakit? Kasi po ngayon sikat na ang iTerra Care. We are all over the world. And we have a phenomenal growth for over a period of 2 years. Imagine that. 12 country branches, 28 country stockists, 27 USA state stockists within the 21 months. At sa YouTube po, kapag sinearch ninyo ang iTerra Care, sa social media, sobrang dami po ng mga positive reviews. Napakadaming magagandang feedback. Kaya hindi ka na mahihirapan mag-explain. Alright? And ang office po natin ay nasa dito po sa Pilipinas. No, to make sure ma-establish natin ang ating credibility, we have an office here. Ang Prive po ay meron pong branch office. Alright, sa Galleria, it's in Unit 1601, Galleria Corporate Center. Napakalapit po niya doon sa EDSA Shrine, magkatabi lang po. At hindi niyo na kailangan lumabas ng Robinson's Galleria kasi nandun lang po ang entrance din niya. Alright, banda sa may supermarket. So, alright, so ito po ang ating device. Alright, ano ba yung pinag-uusapan nating produkto? Kung hindi po kayo nakapanood kanina at ngayon lang kayo nag-tune in, we are talking about this amazing iTerra Care heat therapy device. Alright, ang pinakasikat po dito, of course, is yung iTerra Classic. Ito pong red, yung nasa gitna. Alright, in the Philippines, it's 18,240. In the US, it's 380. And in Europe, it's 499. Napakarami pong bansa wherein we distribute already this product. But for now, ang maipapakita lang po namin sa inyo is tatlo lang muna. Alright? And you can ask your sponsor or those who invited you kung magkano siya sa certain country na meron po kayong magiging kliyente. Okay? So yan po ang iTerra Classic. And we also have a premium. The premium device po is yung nasa right side, the gray one. Ito po is 3 times the price of the iTerra Classic. So it's kailangan nyo lang pong malaman ang price ng iTerra Classic. Yan na po ang magiging basis ng presyo ng premium. Kasi ito times 3 nyo lang po yan. And then, kung gusto nyo pong malaman kung magkano ang iTerra Pro, you just have to multiply it by 10, no? Ang iTerra Classic times 10 lang po yan. So, kung sa Philippines, it's 18,240 pesos times 10, meaning it's 182,400. So, ito po ang ating flagship product. But, we also have other products na kasama po sa package, no? So, paano ba yan? Ano, if I am really into the business already, paano ba yan? Kapag bumili ba ako ng isang iTerra Care Classic, pasok na ba ako? Do I already have this package to be registered? Ang sagot, yes. Kapag bumili po kayo ng isang iTerra Care Classic, it's already equivalent to 200 point value, and that is already our silver package. Or kung nagustuhan niyo naman yung yung ating bling bling, no? The necklace or the iron shield, ito po ang ating invisible mask. Or kung gusto niyo naman po yung flask, no, yung iniinuman, lalagyan ng water, the 7 wonders, lahat po yan, they have the same points and the same price. So it's our silver package. And yung gold package natin, as what I told you, no, ita times 3 lang din po yan. So if that is a premium na nabili nyo, that is equivalent to 600 point value. Meron po yung kasama na 3 registration pins. Silver pins po. 3 registration pin na kapag iniregister nyo po yan under one account, ang tawag po doon ay gold package. Alright? So what if, dahil sa may promo tayo ngayon at nai-offer po sa inyo ang iTera Bio. Yan, napakaganda po ng promo natin ngayon. iTera Bio plus iTera Care Pro. O diba? Ang laki agad ng free mo. So if iTera Bio ang nabili mo or iTera Pro or 10 iTera Care Classic, that is already equivalent to a diamond package. Alright? So ang diamond package po, if you have 10 silver pins and you decide na gagamitin mo lahat ang 10 silver pins na yan into one business account, ang account po na yan ay diamond. Okay? At ang iTera Bio po, meron po siyang isang diamond pin also. At ang iTera Pro, ganun din po. Alright, so that's our diamond package. That are the 3 entry packages. Okay? At eto na, di ba? Mas gumagana na. Paano tayo kikita? We have 7 ways to earn, of course. Number 1 is the sponsorship bonus and the number 2 is the product points voucher. Pareha po itong galing sa direct referral natin. And then the 3 and the 4 are the pairing bonuses. 2 pong klase ang meron tayong pairing bonus. No? At number 5, yung matching bonus or what we call the leadership bonus. And the uni-level bonus comes from the maintenance purchases. And number 7, ito po yung bago po, no? Rank up bonus and profit sharing. Ayan, I will discuss this to you in details one by one a bit later. But before that, I want to explain to you na napakaganda po nito. Kaya po talaga gustong-gusto namin itong compensation plan na to because of this income distribution. This is the one that guarantees, no, na tayo po ay tatagal. Ang kumpanya po natin ay tatagal and this will be a long and sustainable business. Because of this income distribution, for the income from the uni level, makukuha po natin yan 100% encashable or cash. Okay? And then, the sponsorship and the rest of the bonuses, lahat po yan ay subject to income distribution, which is 80% cash and 20% product points. Ibig pong sabihin, i-compute po yan kung magkano po ang income nyo for the day, and then 80% lang po doon ang pwede nyong i-encash, encashable, no? And 20% of which goes to the product points. Ito po ay redeemable. Bakit? Kasi po, we are in the distribution business, remember? And when you are in a distribution business, it's very important that you have an inventory. Tama po. Dapat meron kayong stock. Dapat every time na lalabas kayo, no, meron kayong extra iTera Care devices na nasa kotse po ninyo. At meron din kayo dapat extra iTera Care devices na nasa bahay po ninyo. Kasi anytime po merong tumawag, okay, pwede mong i-pick up sa bahay namin. 'Di ba? O kaya naman, umalis ka, bumisita ka, meron kang meeting, 'di ba? Tapos bigla mong napagkwentuhan ninyong iTera Care device at biglang naging interesado yung nakausap mo, 'di ba? Napakadali lang kasi kukunin mo lang sa kotse. Eto na, pwede mo nang iiwan, 'di ba? And you will never lose the sale. All right? So yan po yung income distribution natin. And then eto na. So, what now, no? Kapag ikaw ay nag-share, okay, for example, you decided to do the business na and then you share the product. At yung pinag-sharean mo na kaibigan mo, bumili siya ng iTera Care. Classic na lang sabihin natin. Okay? Kapag classic ang binili niya, you will earn, of course, from silver, whether kahit na anong package po, silver, gold, or diamond package, ang direct sponsorship bonus po is 10%. Okay? 10% based on the point value. Hindi po sa presyo or kung magkano ang bili natin. Okay, remember, commission is being based or computed based on the point value. Okay? Hindi po sa price na binayaran natin because remember that iba-iba po ang price niya depending on the country na binilhan po natin. Alright? I hope that is clear. Okay? So, if it's a silver package na binili sa inyo, that will be 10% of 200 point value. So, that is $20. Or kung i-compute po natin in 50 pesos na lang para madali ng computation, that will be 1,000 pesos. Alright? At pag gold package, times 3 lang, no? So, 3,000 pesos. At kapag diamond package ang binili, that is 10,000 pesos. Ayan. Same effort ng pagkwento, pero kung ginalingan ninyo at ang inyong i-share ay iTera Pro. Wow, 'di ba? Instead of 1,000 ang income ninyo, 10,000 po. Encashable. Wow, 'di ba? At bukod doon, aside from the cash, no, meron din po tayong product points na income. Ito yung tinatawag na bonus redemption points. Galing po ito sa ating direct referral. Ang direct referral po ay kapag yung taong shinera ninyo, nag-register siya, at ang inilagay ninyang direct sponsor ay ikaw, then ikaw ang makakakuha ng number 1, yung direct sponsorship bonus kanina na 1,000 if it's silver or 10,000 kung yan po ay pro, no, or diamond. So aside from that, meron ka ring bonus redemption points. Yes, meron kang points na mai-earn. Okay, aside from the tinatawag kanina na 20% na product points. Meron din po, because in a silver package, you earn 35% of the point value. So that is $70. Kasi 200 point value times 35%, kaya po yan $70. And hindi lang po yun. Ang company, hindi niya lang basta ita times 3. Di ba pag gold package, usually times 3 lang ang points, no? So, tinaasan niya ngayon ng percentage, ginawa niyang 40%. So, 40% ng 600 point value, kaya po yan $240. At ang maganda nun, kung pro ang na-share mo, aside from the 1,000 pesos na makukuha mo, meron kang 50% ng point value ng diamond package, which is $1,000. $1,000 kapag po ito ay kinonvert mo into product. Okay? Mag-redeem ka ng product. Magkano ang iTera Care Classic? Ang iTera Care Classic po is $320, no? $320 po ang iTera Care Classic in the Philippines. So, ito po ay makaka-redeem ka ng 3 iTera Care Classic. Imagine, no, kapag nakabenta ka pala ng isang iTera Care Pro or Bio, oh my gosh, pag Bio, mas madami kang mariredeem. Okay? At least 3 iTera Care Classic ang pwede mo nang mariredeem, no? Aside from your cash bonuses. Wow! Yun po yun. So, makikita po natin na kapag direct referral, mas malaki po ang na-earn natin na points. Redeemable points po. Mas malaki yon. Medyo maliit lang po yung cash bonus natin, pero mas malaki ang product points. So meaning, when you refer directly, mas malaki po ang chances na makapag-ipon kayo ng inyong stocks. Yes, dadami po ang mga product inventory nyo whenever you refer directly. Alright? And then, eto naman po ang more of cash bonuses. Ang level pairing bonus. Okay, so yung 3 po na yon, yung first, yung sa mga direct income, direct referral income natin, plus itong level pairing bonus, this is what we call the fast track income. Fast track income kasi po malalaki po ang income dito, no? And we are just, eto po, napakaganda po nito kung kayo po ay nag-uumpisa pa lamang. Kasi mararamdaman nyo agad yung income, especially if you keep on referring people, no? Sige kayo share ng share. That's what happened to us before, no? Kaya kami po, ginawa namin talaga, puro mga share ng product ang ginawa, hindi business ang share. Kaya kasi po talaga naman, nakaka-enjoy yung kumikita ka ng malaki because of this, no? The direct sponsorship bonus and the level pairing bonus. When you say po level pairing bonus, remember po, ang ating pong compensation plan is a hybrid binary. When you say binary, dalawa po, dalawa, by, okay? So, ibig sabihin, isang left, isang right. So, if you can see here in this, in the screen, no, you are going to earn 40% of every first pair in all levels. Basta po, first pair yan sa that level, you will earn 40% of which. At ang maganda po nito, galing po ito sa iyong mga direct referral, no? Direct referral mo, ang tawag po dyan is family hierarchy. Hindi lang po doon, kasi kasama po dyan, even yung mga tao na inilagay po sa under your structure or what we call the spillover. Kaya po, family and placement hierarchy, from the word placement, ibig sabihin, inilagay siya doon sa ilalim po ninyo. Okay? So, kahit kung kakilala nyo yan or hindi nyo kakilala, kahit po galing yan sa sponsor nyo or sa cross line nyo pa sa taas, ano? Kasi even mga cross lines, nagkakahalo-halo na siya under sa isang line. So, yan po ay pwede nyong maggamit sa level pairing bonus. Grabe, no? Maganda ba yan or magandang maganda? At ang maganda pa po dyan, infinity po yan. No? From the first level to the 6th level to the 10th level to the 100 to the 1,000 to the 10,000 level, wala pong katapusan. As long as first pair po yan in every level, there you get the 40% of that. So paano po yung example nun? Okay, so sa first level mo, for example, no, this is you. Ayan, nakangiti ka. Ito yung nasa drawing po. Tapos meron ka sa left side mo, meron po tayong tinatawag na auto placement feature ang ating system. So, ang unang-unang direct referral po ninyo, ilalagay po yan sa left. Wala po kayong choice, sa left lang nyo lang talaga yan pwedeng mailagay. So, for example, isang Itera Classic ang binili niyan, so that is a silver pin. So, ano pong mangyayari? Of course, you will earn the direct referral bonuses. It's the encashable and the redeemable points, no? And then also, naka-ready na yan for your left side. And then later on, meron ka na namang na-sharean, ano, sa community ninyo. No? Nakapag-share ka ng isang Itera Care device ulit, classic. So, ngayon, pag iniregister mo po siya, of course, kikita ka ulit ng direct referral bonus. But this time, dahil pangalawa mo na yan, meron ka ng choice ngayon pag niregister mo siya. Whether you want to put it under the left, no? Yung under nung first na nilagay mo, or ilagay mo siya sa right. So if I were you, you put it on the right para po makakuha na kayo ng level pairing bonus. Kasi ang level pairing bonus, ang kauna-unahang mag-prepare. So isa sa left at isa sa right, then you can earn that 40% level pairing bonus. Okay? So pag silver po pareho yan ang basis ng ang computation, 200 point value, then 40% of which is $80. Pag kinompute nyo po yan in peso, that's 4,332. Okay? Para lang po meron tayong peso computation. Alright? So second level, ganun ulit, ano? Place mo naman siya sa left na naman para ma-ready na naman for pairing. But this time, ang binili Pro. Wow! So Diamond, ano? Diamond account yung binili. Pero yung sumunod mo naman na sharean, Itera Care Classic, so silver. So ngayon question, what if ang mag-pair Diamond na 2,000 point value at silver na 200 point value? Paano ang magiging computation? Ang computation po niyan will be based on the lower point value. In this case, ang lower point value is 200 points, yung silver. So, ang magiging basis ng 40% is yung 200. Kaya po makikita nyo po dyan, $80 ang income. if on the third level, ganun ulit, no? Silver at diamond, hindi na naman nagkapareho, no? So, $80 na naman yan. Pero don't worry po, kasi the moment na mag-upgrade po ang silver into diamond, kasi later on po, you will see, no? And you will realize na, wow, tama, no? Dapat pala, lahat tayo mag-upgrade into diamond package. Kasi later on sa ating discussion, makikita ninyo ang value kapag diamond package ka. So ang kagandahan po nito, you don't have to register on a different account, no? Yung nasa ilalim na, hindi ganun. Okay? Pwede po itong i-upgrade nyo yung same account na marami ng tao under you. Yes, yun po ang pipiliin ninyong i-upgrade na account. Kasi pag in-upgrade po yan, yung silver to diamond, at yung tao nyo po sa team ninyo, no? Ito pong silver account na ito na naka-pair sa diamond. Pag nag-upgrade po yan, so mag-upgrade siya sa diamond. Ngayon, 2,000 at 2,000 na yung magpe-pair. Then you will get the 80%, the 40% of the 2,000, which will give you $800. Ibibigay po yan ng company sa atin, yung $800 na yan. Okay, so nakalista lang po yan. I mean, nandyan lang po yan. Noted po yan sa ating system. Alright, so every time meron po mag-upgrade at magkatapat po ang diamond dyan, then you will get that 40%. Wow! Diba? So, yun po yung maganda doon. And ang maganda po dito, ang level pairing bonus po, wala po siyang limit. Kahit na maka 100 pairs ka sa level pairing bonus, it's okay. Kasi wala pong daily limit yan. Okay? Alright. So kapag nag-uumpisa po tayo, ito po yung madalas nating makikitang income natin sa ating back office. Okay. And then next po is the group pairing bonus. Ayan na. So as you share and share, no, marami kang makukuha dyan. Meron kang masisharean na hindi lang po gagamit ng product. It will not stop on them yung sharing. Kasi sila din, katulad mo, nagustuhan din nila talaga ang produkto, and at the same time, they cannot help themselves but to share also, no? At dahil doon, na-realize din nila na, wow, this could be also a business for me. At kapag na-realize nila na pwede pala nila itong gawing globally, no? May kakilala sila abroad, no? And leader din siya na katulad mo, then makikita mo na lumalaki na rin ang kanyang team. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang ikaw ang gumagawa ng business, but meron ka na ring kasama na tumatakbo at ginagawa ng negosyo. So ngayon, makikita mo na ikaw ay dumadami na, no? Namumultiply mo na yung sarili mo through other people. Ito po ang tinatawag na leveraging. Kapag naturuan mo ang iyong kagrupo or ka-teammate or kasama sa business, ang business partner mo, naturuan mo siyang gawin ang negosyo ng tama, then you will have this group pairing bonus. Kasi po, ito po ay it starts from the 4th level until infinity. Okay, you will earn, kung ikaw po ay silver account, 8%. Kung ikaw naman po ay gold package, you will earn 10%. And if you are a diamond package, you will earn 12%. Ayan, dyan na ngayon nag-i-start na mapapansin natin na, wow, dapat pala talaga mag-diamond ako. Kasi imagine, kung silver account lang ako, 8% lang ang income ko. So, 8% po ng 200 point value, that is $16. Okay? But, 12% of 200 point value, that is $24. Same effort, no? Same passive income, but meron pong $8 na difference yan. Imagine kung meron pong 100 na nag-pair dyan, yung $8 na yon times 100, that is $800. Yan po ang difference kung kayo po ay silver account at kung ikaw ay diamond account. At hindi lang po yan. Meron po tayong tinatawag na daily maximum payout. Ayan na, di ba? Kung kanina sa number 3, yung level pairing, wala po yung limit kung ilang pairing na direct, na level pairing ang magawa mo. As long as it is a first pair per level, it doesn't matter kung gaano kadami. Pero ngayon po, itong group pairing bonus, meron na po siyang maximum, daily maximum limit. Ano yun? Ang payout po for a silver package is $300. Okay, times 55, that is roughly 16,500 or below 20,000. Okay? Pero kung diamond ang package mo, ang ang maximum payout mo per day is $3,750. Wow! Pag minultiply mo po yan by 55 pesos, that is 200,000 plus. Okay? So imagine, daily kumikita ka ng 200,000 plus compared to 16,500, no? Yung mga ganon. Sabihin mo na lang 20,000 per day compared to 200,000 per day, maximum payout, o, di ba? 200,000 times 30 days na lang. So that is what? 6 million pesos per month. Yan po ang potential income nitong group pairing bonus alone. Hindi pa kasama ang level pairing, hindi pa kasama yung direct sponsorship bonus kanina. So dito pa lang po 6 million na. At ang isa pa pong napakagandang feature nito is yung tinatawag nating strong leg retention. If you are a network marketer, alam ninyo or binarian, alam po natin ang importance nitong strong leg retention na to. The reason why a lot of people are joining us, a lot of networkers or binarians are joining us, is because of this feature, the strong leg retention. Before po, we joined a binary company and ang ano po dyan is yung tinatawag na flash out. Okay, ang left usually that is the strong leg and then ang right that is what we call the paying leg. The moment na nag-maximum payout ka, for example today, nag-maximum payout ka, kahit na worth $1 million pa itong peperan mo, okay, sabihin natin na nag-max out ka today. Ang mangyayari po niyan, kinabukasan, paggising mo, ito pong worth $1 million na points na ito, zero po yan kinabukasan. Kasi nag-flash out. Okay? Pero in our case, here in Prive International, we have this strong leg retention. Ibig sabihin, kung ang strong leg mo po is worth $1 million at ang na-pair mo lang for today, nag-max out ka, no, $3,750. Okay, ang mawawala lang po dyan is yung $3,750. The rest, okay, paggising mo kinabukasan, nandyan pa po yan. Hanggang maubos mo siya araw-araw, mapartneran mo, ma-max out mo siya $3,750 hanggang maubos yan. Every day, every day, every day, nandyan po yung points na yan. So, hindi po nasayang ang pagod natin ng pagtulong at pag-build ng strong leg natin. Alright? So, yan po yung kagandahan ng group pairing bonus. And next, okay, ito po yung tinatawag nating matching bonus. Wow! Nung diniscuss ko ito kaninang morning ng aking husband sa aming team meeting, this is really mind-blowing. Okay, kung na-i-impress na kayo dun sa 1 up to the 4th na compensation plan natin, ano? Ito pong 5th pala matching bonus, grabe rin po talaga ito. This is what we call the leadership bonus. If you are able to create leaders under your team, okay, kung makakuha ka ng mas magaling sa'yo, the better. Alright? Kasi po, at dito rin po nagmamatter kung ano ang package mo. Kasi kapag silver, you can earn up to the 4th level. Pag gold, up to the 5th level. At pag diamond, up to the 6th level. So, ito po, even with one leg alone, okay, you can earn from this. Okay, 10% sa lahat ng direct mo. And then 5% sa second level and then up to the 4th level, 5% yan. At kung ikaw ay diamond, up to the 6th level yung 5% mo. Imagine all directs, no? Sabihin na lang natin na ang na-develop mong leader ay kumikita at nagma-max out, nagti $3,750 siya per day or nagto 200,000 pesos per day nakita sa kanyang group pairing bonus. Okay? Ang matching bonus po is based on the group pairing income ng atin pong mga leaders. So, pag yan po ay nagto 200,000, ang direct mo nagto 200,000 siya per day, then you will have the 10% of the 200,000, that is 20,000 pesos. Kahit po wala kayong ginagawa kasi leader na po yan, ano? Siya na lang po ang kayo siguro, no, share na lang. But the work, lahat na po yan sa team na nila ginagawa. Okay? At paano yan? Kung syempre leader yan, makaka-develop po yan ng another leader under them. So imaginein mo na lang kung ilang 5%, kung ilang 20,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 alone with that, 'di ba? That's already, pag ikaw po ay silver, sabihin na lang natin nagto 200,000 per day yung mga grupo na yon, ano? So that is already 20, 30, 5,000 already. Isang line nyo pa lang yan. What if meron ka pang another direct line, at pag 10 ang direct line mo, wow, 'di ba? 350,000 no sweat for you. So yan po ang kagandahan ng matching bonus. And of course, ito po, kinikita po ito kapag lumalaki na po talaga ang ating grupo, no? Napapalaki na po natin ang ating team, diyan na po natin kikitain ang matching bonus. And also, this uni-level bonus, wow! Ang monthly personal maintenance po natin dito, monthly nga, no? So every month, we are going to maintain at least $30 per month, no? So, ito pong $30 natin, pag binayaran po natin ito, magiging active na po tayo to get to earn from the group pairing bonus, etc., etc. Okay, yung from the 4th up to the 7th natin na ways to earn. Alright, uni-level bonus. Pag-active po tayo. So, for us to be active, kailangan po natin mag-maintain ng $30. At ang kagandahan po nito, ito pong $30 na to is nalilipat po ito sa ating bonus redemption points. Yes, naiipon po ito na eventually time will come. Pag naging $320 po yan, magiging iTerra Care, pwede kayo mag-redeem na ng iTerra Care Classic. So, hindi po nawawala, hindi nasasayang ito pong maintenance natin. It's like a forced savings for us para po magkaroon pa tayo ng more inventory. At kumikita rin po tayo dyan. It's accumulated every calendar month and paid every first of the month. So, ito po ang ating uni-level bonus. This is very powerful. Actually, kapag if you create a perfect structure, ay grabe, another mind-blowing. Ito po yung pwede nating maipamana sa ating mga anak, no? At pwede po natin itong pang-retirement fund. Kasi po, ito po ay already a passive income. Whether we like it or not, people under our structure will maintain. Okay? And this is based on our family hierarchy. Sa direct po natin, direct po natin. Alright? Yan po ang uni-level bonus. Ayoko na pong i-explain kung magkano ang kikitain ninyo because this is very unbelievable. Alright? Pero later on, no, pag meron tayong time, magko-compute tayo nito at madidiscuss po sa inyo na napakalaki po nitong potential nitong uni-level bonus na to. Alright, so ang tanong, when will I get my initial cost of purchase o paano ba ang return on investment dyan? So ang gagawin nyo lang po, kukuha lang kayo or mag-share kayo sa isang tao. Pag nagkaroon kayo ng isang direct referral, of course, you will earn $20 as your direct sponsorship bonus. And then for the product points, you will earn $70. Okay? And then, if you can find another friend, hindi lang naman siguro dalawa, isa ang kaibigan nyo, no? Baka dalawa. Diba? So, kung nakapag-share kayo sa pangalawa po ninyo at kayo ang ginawang direct sponsor, then you will earn the same. Direct sponsorship bonus at saka po yung product points na $70. But this time, dahil, okay, pag meron naman tayong pangatlo naman, ano, dahil hindi nga lang dalawa ang kaibigan nyo, meron din kayong ka-office mate or kasamahan sa community. So kapag bumili po yan, meron na naman kayong direct referral income. And of course, para mapantay yan, okay, maglalagay din kayo ng 4. Kasi po dito, no, ang target po natin, at least magkaroon po tayo ng 4 na leaders initially. Okay? So pag meron po tayong 4 na leaders, okay, yan na po ang initially pwede nating maggamit for the return on investment. For the 4 alone na masishare natin, yan, you will get the direct sponsorship bonus pa rin at product points. And then, eto na, ang level pairing income. You will earn $80 pag dahil nag-pair si number 1 at si number 2. Ayan, magkano ang income? $80. Okay? The level pairing bonus. At hindi lang yan. Dahil si number 3 at number 4, meron din siyang level pairing bonus na $80 kapag kinompute po natin ito with the 4 direct referrals alone, you will get a total of 28,636.8, no? Encashable. At hindi pa po yan, 10,396.8 po ang encashable dyan. Ibig sabihin, yung 80%, no? And then the rest, dahil sa computation ng bonus redemption points, makakapag-claim po tayo ng isang classic unit. Ang total po ng income kasi dyan for the 4 na napag-share natin is 28,636.8. But in the form of one iTeracare Classic, yung 18,240. Wow! So imagine, meron ka ng kinita na 10,396.80 na cash, and at the same time, nabawi mo yung pinambili mo ng isang iTeracare device kasi may bumalik sa yung isang iTeracare device. Wow, di ba? So 4 lang po. Okay, and that is the return on investment. All right, so our goal is to share one iTeracare device per household, bringing life to every home. Imagine po, in the Philippines alone, we have 26.39 million household in the Philippines. So, isa lang na iTeracare sa isang bahay. Yan po ang ating goal, 'di ba? Imagine niyo na lang, we have 26 billion households globally. So wala pa po tayo, hindi pa po natin na-scratch ang 1%. So if this is the time na nag-start pa lang po kayo, this is still a perfect time. And this is a good day to change the lives of other people. So ang masasabi ko lang po, no, if you always do what you've always done, you will always be what you've always been. So if you want to change your life, you better act now and be bold and change what you're doing. All right? So that's it po for me for tonight. Yan po, that ends our business presentation.